To customize always on display in POCO M8 5G, we're going to start by opening settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down and here select personalization. Now navigate to always on display right here, and this will allow you to enable it. Make sure it's enabled, and then we can choose whichever always on display style we want to use. Keep in mind that most of them will offer different options for customization. So if we choose this one, we'll be able to change the style, so we can have a clock sideways, and we can also change the color for it, enable the rainbow effect with change color automatically, and we can also change displayed items to show the battery icon or notifications. Then make sure to apply your options, and that way your always on display will be customized. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.